What's going on, guys? So a lot has been accomplished on this car since we last talked. The motor's pretty much built, and now I'm gutting the engine to get it painted. So let me show you what all we got going on. So as you can see, the engine's starting to be ripped apart. I got to rip all that out, all this out, all these out, power wash all this. A lot of it's out already, so we're just trying to get this done today, at least get it primed today. And then that's the engine all put together. Only the lower runner is completely on, and then I put the blow off valve here. You see a lot of people doing that, but yeah, so the GTE VVTi bottom end is built. Well, the bottom end is together along with the head and head studs and everything else. I do need to find a block off for that though, the VVTi port. Other than that, that's about it. Just a bunch of stuff powder coated. Knocked a huge pile of parts away, which is nice. Sold a lot of stuff too. So now it's time to just keep on moving and get this done. Alright guys, well, this is where we're at right now. Got everything sanded, taped up, and just priming it, so we're getting there. Alright guys, well, I used some of the, so my wife has a Nardo gray Jeep, and I got a spray can of that color, and I just tried it. And you can see the difference there between the two. I just wanted to see what it would look like. I'm actually paying someone to come to the house and professionally paint this whole engine bay. I just got it prepped and primed for them, and they do the rest. They wet sand it, they paint it, they clear it. About 450 bucks. So, I mean, I'm freaking ecstatic right now because that looks amazing. Can't wait to see it painted and then take all the tape off and start putting the motor in. That's gonna be a lot of work, but this was worth it. It's gonna look so much better. And then the only thing left is, unfortunately, that, which looks like trash. But I mean, if someone looks up and sees it, I really don't care. Whatever. Maybe I'll like get that aluminum shit and cover the entire hood or something. I'm not painting that. That's a lot of work to paint that. I don't want to paint any body stuff or prime it or anything. I can get that done when I have the whole car painted. So this is the hard part when you get the car painted, because everything has to come out. And now I don't have to worry about it, and it's going to save me a shitload of money when I get the car painted. So that's going to be it. So I guess the next one will be when it gets painted, and then dropping the engine in and hopefully making turbo noises. So alright guys, later.